Hello Namaste Auntie Uncle Mother Father my friend. I'm hosting Sun Lifer Sun Life. Whoa! 안녕하세요. 아이씨 나고 드리 그래서 Sun Life og host ko ninyo dere. Okay, atrang dagway niyo. Okay kayo. Kandeng!
Yung mga leaders ang magsasalita today. We want to hear from you, from Territory 5 of Sun Life. Gusto namin kayong makausap. And of course, to engage you, I have a partner. Let's say hello to Kokoy Martin!
Matayaw Sun Lifers! Wow! Grabe! Isa ang saya-saya dito! Ang ramdam na po ang excitement ng ating mga Sun Lifers! Wow! Yes! Pero ang tanong, are we excited to win this campaign? Easy go nyo! Are we excited to win this campaign? Yes! Yes! And today is all about you. You will dominate this conversation and we want to hear more about how you feel and what you want. Kaya naman, let's go! Woo! Sir, what is your name? Ferdinand. O sa may ibati na ito maroon, sir? Happy kayo! O sa endurance na happy! Wow! Let's go! Yes! O sa may pangalan sa inyong grupo, sir? Group ba? Ang Mangroves brand. Ayan, gusto namin marinig ang ready, reset, go. Ayan, in 3, 2, 1, Mangroves! Yes! Yun, oh! Thank you so much, sir. Ang puntahan naman natin dito sa likuran, ang iba po natin mga ka-Sun Lifers. Hey, ma'am! Pangalan!
Hi, Crystal.
What are we expecting for today's event?
To have fun, of course, and have fun.
Wow, to have fun and to have yes! Thank you so much. Ma'am, grabe ang energy. Dito naman tayo. Ayan, hello po. Ayan. Hi, sir! Nagpangurong si sir. Pangalan na to, sir?
Butch po.
Hi, Butch! Asa si Dora, Butch? On the way. Sir Butch, unsa man ang inyong preparasyon para maging champion for today's event?
Maging champion? Good! Very good! Good answer!
Thank you so much! Wow! That was amazing! A round of applause. Isha, back to you!
Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman natin si Kokoy. Grabe yung energy. Kokoy! In the house!
Ayan, pangalan natin, sir.
Ivan, how is your branch preparing for the game of the champions?
Aside from we get mentoring from our branch manager, we are always trying our best to survive and be persistent per day, every day. Para ready, set, go, go, go!
Go, go, go! Persistent na persistent talaga! Wow! At syempre, meron pang isa! What is the strength of your team, ma'am?
The strength of our team is the pure intention to help.
Wow! Yan ang energy. Talagang hindi nawawalan ng energy ang ating mga Sun Lifers. Pure intention! Isa!
Thank you very, very much, Kokoy.
Sino ang first time to attend the August Champions Kickoff? Sino ang first time? Let me hear your cheer!
Kanina nga nakasama natin ang ating Sun Life endorsers na grabe-grabe ang ipadama ang kanilang suporta sa Sun Life with Mateo, Sara, Tony, and Violo Pascual. Kayo naman mga Sun Life Let's all be seated! Talagang yun ang hinahanap nating lahat ng energy. Full commitment from Sunlight Mindanao. And now,
Feeling natin ulit na nandyan pa rin ang energy ng Mindanao. Let's do it! First mag-transition na tayo sa party! Alright! Bagong lahat, can we give Kokoy a round of applause, please, for being my wonderful, energetic co-host, Kokoy.
maraming salamat. Dream come true ito para sa akin, Lisa. The host with you. Grabe, thank you so much for this opportunity. Sunlight!